Vocabulary word for moonwalk. Loomed, appeared dimly or vague as a large, threatening object. Real, a long, narrow valley on the surface of the moon. Runt, animal, person, or plant that is smaller than usual. If used about a person, often considered offensive. Staggered, became unsteady, wavered. Summoning, stirring to action, rousing. Taunted, jeered at, mocked. Taunted also means to make fun of someone. Trench, any ditch. So anything that looks like a ditch or a big hole where water runs is a trench. Oh, and trenches don't also only have to have water. They can just be a really big, deep, like opening that looks like a ditch. Trudged, walked warily and without effort, meaning you probably were treading through something very slowly. Please don't forget to complete your vocabulary work on your Reader Writer Notebook, pages 362 and 366.